Okay, so you can remove the top layer. If it's stuck, you can use like a plastic screwdriver, or you might send a plastic ruler up to do that. And set the first stage off to the side. Get one of your 90mm filters. Be really gentle about peeling back the foil. You want to avoid ripping it if possible. Remove the plastic lid, set that to the side, and then get your tweezers and grab the edge of the filter. If it's stuck down in there, you can sometimes pick up the foil and just gently push on it to pop one edge up. And you want to grab it just by the edge. Try to avoid bending it as you pull it out, and place it on the filter stage. And then you can put the top stage back on. Go ahead and close up your first Petri dish. And wrap the Teflon tape back around it. Put a label on it and indicate that it was on the bottom stage, and then put it off to the side. Then you can pull the white top part off to reveal the first stage. Take your other 90mm filter. Again, be gentle when peeling back the foil. The lid off the Petri dish, set it to the side. Take your clean tweezers, grab it just by the edge, place it into the filter holder. Place the top part on and then screw the ring down.
I think it needs to be popped down a little bit more.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So make sure that this is all evenly spaced here and pop down into there. There's O-rings around there that need to kind of pop into place.
And then screw this white ring down as far as you can.
That just needs to be hand tight. If you are a strong person, you do not have to do this as tight as you can make it, especially if you have more than one person doing the sample changing. The strongest person should not do it as tight as they can, because the second person will not be able to remove it.
And then you can close up the other Petri dish, put a label on it, indicate that the filter was on the top stage, and we'll include directions on how to label them. Place that back in its plastic bag, and these can go back in the freezer for storage while the sample is being taken. And then go ahead and put the filter holder back into its Ziploc bag for transport to the site. And then you'll also have a 47mm filter holder, also in a Ziploc bag.
So I guess you can use the tape ring. Is that good?
I use the ring.
Oh,
Yeah. So you'll remove this top white piece that closes in the filter holder. Set that to the side and then remove the ring that's holding it in place. Set that down, and then you can put the filter holder down into it. Then you'll also have 47mm filters. Remove the Teflon tape. Set that off to the side. These can get a little bit stuck sometimes, so just be gentle as you open it. They can also become staticky, so you might want to leave that and first remove the top white piece to reveal the filter stage underneath. Grab your clean tweezers and then gently remove it either from the Petri dish or from the lid. Make sure that the rough side of the filter is up and place it in the filter stage. And then place the lid back on top of it. Put the ring on first. Tighten that down. Again, just hand tight, and then replace the top. That can go back in its Ziploc bag for transport out to the site. And then you can close the foil on the 47mm Petri dish. Wrap it in Teflon tape again. Label the Petri dish and then place it back in its Ziploc bag, and it can be stored in the freezer until the sample is finished collecting.